Hello and welcome to this grand series by Asia One Magazine and URS Media, known as Asia One Greatest Brands and Leaders, Asia, Middle East, Africa 2021. This very special series aims to showcase the awe-inspiring success stories of the most prominent brands and leaders from across the world who have immensely contributed to the growth of the world economy. The curtain raiser will be from none other than the man behind the vision of greatest brands and leaders, Mr. Rajat Raj Shukl, Global Head and Principal Partner, URS Media Consulting and Asia One Magazine.
World's greatest brands and leaders. Today the problem is that the first few brands that come to your mind are either American or European brands, and out of Europe also maybe only British and French. Whereas the Asian community is the largest consumer for all these brands worldwide. And we wanted to start something, and we got it trademarked in 9 countries of Asia, which is called the World's Greatest Brands and Leaders, Asia GCC. And we wanted to propagate this vision that we want to produce coffee table books, magazines, feature these brands and leaders so that tomorrow, futuristically, whenever somebody would 10 years later, 15 years later, pick up these publications or have a look, they would come to know that world's greatest brands were also in Asia and GCC. Anything that happens anywhere in the world today, as we speak also, you would get that news on a mobile application or as a pop-up on your phone. So we thought that the core of our business needs to change from news to now research. And research, I'm happy to tell you, with the world's greatest brands and leaders and some of the other intellectual properties that we have, we would have researched over 20,000 companies, maybe 5,000 companies in primary data. We featured over 500 of such brands and leaders in our series. Happy to tell you over 1,500 owners and leaders and CEOs like you have been to our summits, and the power that keeps us going is all of you sitting in this room.
So that was Mr. Rajat Raj Shukl, the man behind the greatest brands and leaders. And it's time to move on to a message from a very special guest, Shri Anurag Singh Thakur, Union Minister of Information and Broadcasting and Youth Affairs and Sports, the Government of India.
Thank you for recognizing the efforts taken by the Modi government during the COVID-19 pandemic. It wasn't an easy task. The world was facing a challenge of COVID-19 pandemic. The choice was whether to save lives, livelihoods, or the economy. Now in that situation, our first priority was to save lives. After the lockdown, we built our capacities, whether manufacturing PPE kits to the COVID-19 vaccine. From net importer of PPE kits, we have become the largest exporter of PPE kits as well as the COVID-19 vaccine to the world. At the same time, the steps taken during the COVID-19 was the Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Yojana, first to provide food grains, pulses and all to the poorest of the poor, to 800 million people. For 8 months, free food grains, pulses have been provided by the Government of India, by the Modi government. At the same time, thousands of crore rupees has been transferred to the accounts of needy people who wanted it. At the same time, to help the business houses, the small entrepreneurs, we have asked the banks to come forward, and we have given more than 3 lakh crore rupees under the emergency credit line guarantee scheme.
Thank you so much, Shri Anurag Thakur, for that message. And now the main aim of Asia One Greatest Brands and Leaders, Asia, Middle East, Africa series is to highlight the key drivers, the actual drivers of Asia, Middle East and Africa's economic engine. In fact, these brands and leaders have been playing a significant role in shaping the economy of Asia and the rest of the world. So let's begin with the most coveted category of Asia One Entrepreneur of the Year, Global Leader of the Year and World's Greatest Brands 2020-2021. Let's take a look at the leaders and the brands that are being awarded in these categories. Mr. Ajay Harinath Singh, Chairman and Managing Director, Darwin Platform Group of Companies as Asia One Entrepreneur of the Year 2020-2021.
Founder, Chairman and Managing Director of Darwin Platform Group of Companies, Ajay Harinath Singh's vision catapulted the company into its present growth trajectory and stature. Under his directorship and guidance, the Darwin Platform Group of Companies has expanded and taken its business across geographical boundaries in high growth sectors such as retail, agriculture, banking, pharmaceuticals, finance, mining, information technology, healthcare, robotics, and aviation, turning the group into a multinational. Spread across Greece, Italy, Ukraine, Germany, United Kingdoms, UAE, among a few other countries.
I define Darwin Platform Group of Companies, DPGC, as one of the fastest growing Indian global business group. We are investing in nation building and India's strong future by creating economic value in domestic, and 11 overseas organizations are also working towards it. It's an entrepreneurial journey. At a very young age, I became the president of Singh & Sons PLC in 1996, founded DPGC with an asset base of net worth US dollar 6.4 billion. The year-on-year growth has been phenomenal so far. Darwin brand has established its credibility in all its products and services.
Mr. Rajiv Kumar Pal, Chief Executive Officer, Shell Shipping and Marine Services, as Global Leader of the Year and World's Greatest Brands 2020-2021.
Rajiv Kumar Pal started his career in 1992 as a graduate engineer training at the SR Shipping Limited in Mumbai. Since then, he has remained in the shipping and maritime industry, studying, implementing, and pioneering new ways for the centuries-old industry to adapt to modern-day trends. In 2016, when Shell Shipping and Maritime Services was founded by crowdfunding under the initiation of Mr. Mohammad Khalifa Al Sada, a veteran maritime personality in Qatar and the current chairman of the company, Rajiv Pal joined them as the CEO. Within 4 years of its inception, the company has grown to becoming Qatar's largest owner of dry bulk ships with operations in 6 continents.
I never stopped learning. At the same time, I remember during my graduate engineer trainee days in SR Shipping in Mumbai, I once was in lift with Mr. Shashiria, and he asked me, Rajiv, what are you doing? And I told him, I'm learning. And he replied, Rajiv, from when will you start contributing? Since that day, my endeavor always has been that I must learn and at the same time convert it into a contribution for the organization that I work and for the society's goals. So that has been the driving force all throughout, which is learn and then convert into the goals of the organization and the society. In doing this, passion, perseverance, and of course productivity. These 3 are the values that I always incorporate to ensure to reach to the goal.
Datuk Prakash Chandran, President, Director and CEO, PT Siemens Indonesia, as Global Indian of the Year 2020-2021.
As the President, Director and CEO of PT Siemens Indonesia, Datuk Prakash Chandran has guided the company with his sharp business acumen and extensive experience in multiple areas. The leader brought Siemens' cutting-edge technology to Malaysia and Indonesia, capturing landmark nation-building projects across the areas of electrification, automation, and digitization. His ability to develop and implement successful long-term strategies that outperform company expectations is particularly noteworthy. He has received numerous accolades throughout his distinguished career, spanning over 3 decades.
Technology has always been my passion. And at Siemens, I believe I have had the opportunity to deliver state-of-the-art technology for the benefit of the society at large and our customers and end users in specific. I'm strongly driven to position Siemens as a technology partner in the country, moving the positioning from market presence to market preference by being the country's preferred and trusted partner as we help to provide answers and solutions for our customers' technology, productivity, and carbon footprint reduction needs through electrification, automation, and digitalization.
Many more categories to come, but for now we're taking a short break. But stay tuned because we will be back with the panoramic presentation of the success stories of Asia One Greatest Brands and Leaders.
शादी के लिए लड़कियां बाद में देखना, पहले मेरा आटा ऑर्डर कर दो।
अरे भाभी, मैंने आटे के साथ साथ सूजी और दलिया भी ऑर्डर कर दिया है और पूरे 100 रुपए भी बचा लिए हैं।
साधारण आटा? देखो, इस साधारण आटे की रोटी खाएंगे तो दो बातें हो सकती हैं। या तो टेस्ट अच्छा नहीं होगा या इम्यूनिटी वीक हो जाएगी। टेस्ट अच्छा नहीं हुआ तो ठीक है, लेकिन अगर इम्यूनिटी वीक हो गई तो दो बातें हो सकती हैं। या तो आप घर पे दवाई से ठीक हो जाओगे या फिर सारे पैसे हॉस्पिटल के बिल्स पे उठ जाएंगे। तो समझे बच्चों, साधारण छोड़ो, न्यूट्रिशन चुनो। अपना ये एक्स्ट्रा चोकर वाला नरिश चक्की फ्रेश आटा। साधारण छोड़ो, न्यूट्रिशन चुनो।
When you live in a fast-moving, ever-changing world, life brings forth unlimited possibilities. Yours to explore, excite, enjoy, educate, evaluate, and elucidate with Elan. Never stop moving forward with Darwin Platform Group. Darwin Platform Group, the visionaries.
अगर न्यूट्रिशन वाली दाल नहीं खाओगे तो दो बातें होगी, या तो लो प्रोटीन से आपके बाल कम हो जाएंगे या एनर्जी लेवल्स लो हो जाएंगे।
इसीलिए पापा, साधारण छोड़ो
और न्यूट्रिशन चुनो।
हाई फाइबर और प्रोटीन रिच नरिश अनपॉलिश दाल। साधारण छोड़ो, न्यूट्रिशन चुनो।
Welcome back after the break to this grand series called Asia One Greatest Brands and Leaders, Asia, Middle East, Africa 2021, powered by Asia One Magazine and URS Media. Continuing with the success stories, the next titles we are moving on to are Asia One Youth Icon of the Year and Global Leader of the Year 2020-2021. And the leaders and the brands being awarded in these categories are Ashish Khandelwal, Managing Director, BL Agro Industries Limited, as Asia One Global Youth Icon of the Year 2020-2021.
During my growing up years, I had seen how my father built the business from scratch and took it to great heights. His journey has always inspired me. At the same time, it was a challenge to expand further and take our company to the next level. In 2017, we decided to diversify and add food portfolio to the existing oil business. The food products under the brand name Nourish received immediate acceptance in the market. To support this, we established top-of-the-line production capability that includes procuring finest machinery from all over the world. At BL Agro, the company's vision is to make the product a way of life for the consumer across India. To realize this long-term vision, we have aggressively building a very robust distribution network. As I speak, our team is working across India and our distribution network is growing day by day. Also, for the couple of years, we have invested heavily into advertising and promotion of both our brands Nourish and Belkolu. Similarly, to make our promotion more effective, we have engaged with celebrity brand ambassadors like Shilpa Shetty for Nourish and Manoj Vajpayee, Nawazuddin Siddiqui and Pankaj Tripathi for Belkolu. I believe that innovation is the key to establish your distinguished identity. Our innovative strategy includes moving from semi-automatic to fully automated packaging plant, which is possibly the best in the country in our industry. A lot of exclusive brand stores are being opened, and we are also developing a very dynamic e-commerce portal by the name of Nourish Store that will take a brand to each and every household.
Mr. Dilip Keshu, CEO, Bond Group, as Asia One Person of the Year 2020-2021 and Bond Group as World's Greatest Brands 2020-2021.
Bond Group is a global agency that helps brands with digital transformation. Acquired by Tech Mahindra in 2019, Bond Group continues to innovate and dominate at the intersection of art and science. With its platform-enabled solutions powered by AI and automation, it accelerates the journey enterprises take towards a digital future. It has an international base of over 250 plus active clients in 90 plus countries and a robust alliance ecosystem across technology providers.
When I started in 2011, it was a crowded market. There were lots of marketing companies that were offering fairly good solutions. But what I noticed was that there was a market discontinuity at play because there was the confluence of technology and marketing. And the chief marketing officer, to be successful in promoting a brand on digital channels like social, mobile, web. So I came up with a very simple strategy to address this with 3 core specialisms. The first was creative design, to create things that were digital, that were enormously attractive and kept people engaged. The second specialism was content, because if you have personalized contextual content, people engage, they start conversations, and that leads to business. And the third was commerce, So when you have a simple philosophy of attracting an audience, interacting with them, you do need to transact with them to make them buy your product and consume it. And the last piece is reacting to the experience of consumption. So we focused on these 4 simple quadrants of attract, interact, transact, and react.
Mr. Himanshu Mohapatra, Group General Manager at Altaman Investment LLC as Global Indian of the Year 2020-2021.
Himanshu Mohapatra, with over 2 decades of experience that span into investment banking, portfolio management, private equity, real estate development, strategic management, and organizational development, has set up, acquired, and managed multiple new businesses and projects for the group in real estate, education, healthcare, industrial, aquaculture, media and communication, entertainment, and hospitality sectors. Holding directorship in different companies, he's also the member of Executive Committee of Muscat Overseas Group Companies. As a Group General Manager of Altaman Investment LLC, he has the expertise in investment evaluation, fundraising, deal structuring and negotiation, strategic tie-ups, setting up new ventures, and executing exit strategies.
In this dynamic world, addressing the changing needs of people and adopting new technologies are the key ingredients of success and progress. If we start with our real estates, we develop in Altaman Real Estate all the social infrastructure projects such as school facilities, hospital facilities, malls, and lifestyle projects like hotels, resorts, entertainment facilities. So we end-to-end develop everything based on the customer satisfaction. Similarly, in our education venture, we nurture the young generation under Assaud Education School. In our healthcare venture, under the Modern Healthcare Company, we are one of the pioneers in providing super specialization in urology, nephrology, and andrology lab. Not only in healthcare, but also we are present in pharmaceutical, and we are one of the first API manufacturer producing cephalosporin under drug manufacturing company. It is an antibiotics, can be used exponentially and hugely in Oman and outside Oman. In our entertainment venture, in Grand Entertainment Company, we are providing and spreading happiness with lot of entertainment platforms such as cinemas like Wow Cinema, providing the amazing and grand multiplex. Similarly, on Funtopia, we set the trend of active, healthy entertainment. And in our holographics, we provide virtual reality games.
Still more categories to go, but it's time for a short break. When we come back, we will show you many more awe-inspiring success stories of greatest brands and leaders.
रोज तो तू पिज्जा मांगता है, आज ड्राई फ्रूट खा रहा है, तबीयत तो ठीक है?
माँ, मेरा मैथ्स का एग्जाम है, तो ड्राई फ्रूट्स नहीं खाऊंगा तो दो बातें होंगी, या तो मेरे मार्क्स कम आएंगे या तो मैं फेल हो जाऊंगा। अगर मार्क्स कम आए तो ठीक, अगर मैं फेल हो गया तो दो बातें होंगी, या तो टीचर से डांट पड़ेगी या फिर टीचर आपको स्कूल में बुलाएगी। डांट पड़े तो ठीक, पर अगर आपको स्कूल में बुलाया तो कल मिसेस शर्मा को किट्टी पार्टी में आप क्या मुंह दिखाएंगे? तो समझे बच्चों, इसीलिए साधारण छोड़ो, न्यूट्रिशन चुनो।
अपनाइए 100% ऑयल कंटेंट वाले नरिश ड्राई फ्रूट्स। साधारण छोड़ो, न्यूट्रिशन चुनो।
Hello friends, have you ever imagined a stage where you grow and excel as singers? Ever dreamt of a platform which lets your hidden singing talent grow? This is Lalit Pandit and I bring to you a brand new karaoke app, Star Munch. Now Star Munch is an app where the best of the singing talent come on one stage. So kickstart your singing career with Star Munch. Cheers.
Welcome back after the break. You're watching the grand series of Asia One Greatest Brands and Leaders Asia, Middle East, Africa 2021, powered by Asia One Magazine and URS Media. Moving on to the next categories of Asia One Global Asian of the Year and Most Influential Young Leaders 2020-2021. And the awardees in these categories are Mr. Satendra Sharma, CEO and Board Member, Petro Contracts International as Global Asian of the Year 2020-2021.
Satendra Sharma, CEO and Board Member of Petro Contracts International Limited, brings over 40 plus years of oil and gas industry experience to his role that focuses on the development and execution of the business strategies and future growth. An innovative leader with an experience in management of products, business, commercials, and construction support functions for oil and gas projects, power infrastructure, ports and harbors, and aluminium plants in different geographies. A strong flair for the business building and an extensive network with the EPC business, he has proven the ability to manage mega projects safely by maintaining quality, schedule, and budget with full P&L accountability.
We started this Petro Contracts International Limited in 2017, and the motivational reasons behind this was that after gaining a lot of experience in EPC business, I find that EPC business is still being done in a little bit traditional, old orthodox manner, and resulted to that generally on the projects there is a cost overrun and the schedule overrun, which no client likes it. So we are trying to build another portfolio to support most of our clients in terms of how to mitigate the red tapeism and effectively improve the processes and procedures so that we can bring a most cost-effective solution to our clients. And that resulted in bringing up of Petro Contracts International Limited. The mission of the company is to provide professional services to our various clients in such manner that they are ethically supported.
Mr. Pulkit Seth, Vice Chairman and Managing Director, Pearl Global, Asia One Most Influential Young Leaders 2020-2021.
Pearl Global is a multinational apparel manufacturing company that provides end-to-end supply chain solutions through an integrated value chain to fashion brands across the globe. Leading the business strategy and transformation for the next-gen growth of Pearl Global, Vice Chairman and Managing Director Pulkit Seth, with over 20 years of experience in the apparel industry, has been overseeing the domestic and international operations of the company. He has played a catalytic role in streamlining business processes and enhancing relationships with leading retailers in the US. His goal now is to take Pearl Global to unprecedented heights of success globally.
I started in the business back in 2002. When I entered the business in 2002, we were a manufacturing group with factories in Gurgaon in India. At that point, we recognized that there was an opportunity to grow in the business, and with that came around the idea that Pearl should become a one-stop shop to the best retailers in the world. With that vision in mind, we decided to start expanding our business. It was a start back in 2002 when we started. We never thought that we would be able to set up manufacturing around the world. It was a vision, that was a big dream, and something that we wanted to achieve.
So these were the awe-inspiring success sagas of the most prominent, greatest brands and leaders of Asia, Middle East, Africa 2021. I hope you enjoyed watching it as much as I enjoyed hosting it. That's it for now. Goodbye.